Hey guys, this is PewDiePie today. Guess what? So, PewDiePie got 50 million subscribers. And guess what? He got a ruby play button. Yup. Yeah, that's what he got for 50 million subscribers. Like, he said that someone from New York sent him that. And I didn't know that there was a 50 million ruby play button, and only he got it. No one else will, except if they actually get really close into doing it and they grow like 1 million subscribers a week or something. Then 1 million subscribers a day. Then it's possible. Or if YouTube doesn't die out and then the website gets deleted forever. Because if YouTube's around forever, then obviously people are going to hit it more than 5 times. And guess what? PewDiePie is probably going to be the #1 most subscribed YouTuber. Unless if he gets million. Like about 30 million subscribers taken away from him. And then he's at the 20, and then that's where people start growing from. Well, people start growing from 0 subscribers. 50 million, that was a lot. But this play button, holy smokes, it's huge. It's not huge, but it has the Brofist label on it. And like that's crazy because it's made of ruby, and it has these little tiny things that PewDiePie's giving away. He's giving away 1, and he said that you have to do these things in order to get it, which is I don't really believe, but I think he will or something. I don't know. He usually makes. I don't think he would, but. Like, it's insane. Like, I didn't know that could happen. I didn't know that there would be one. Because, it's crazy that they even made one. And PewDiePie is thanking us, which is, I think, that it's totally true that he's thanking us, because he really loves us. It's not in a gay way. Or if he is gay. Alright, I should just stop about that. I was talking. Yeah, PewDiePie did some really hard work. I even subscribed to him. And YouTube gave him everything. YouTube gave him an opportunity. YouTube could have deleted his channel anytime. I bet YouTube can delete anyone's channel at any time. But yeah, just congratulations to PewDiePie that he got the 50 million ruby play button. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Bye. And let's see if anyone else can get it, except not PewDiePie, someone else. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Bye.